Hi students, this is Ms. Price again, and we're going to go over how do you access a Google Meets class session. You would have received an email from your instructor inviting you to the class. The class for me starts today at 9 o'clock, and so we're going to go ahead and click on this. I've already told the instructor that yes, I will be attending class, but if I haven't done so, I can click that now. And then I will scroll down to where it says Join Hangouts Meet. I will click right here on this Meet Google. You can see that it's starting to get my camera ready. It's here. I can make sure that it's on if I wish to do so. Turn it off. Same thing with my microphone. I can turn it off or turn it on. If you haven't ever done this before, your browser may ask for permission to use your computer microphone and or webcam. You may allow it to do so. Here you can see this is the class, the sample class for you all, the CP video. And I have an opportunity to join now. I will click Join Now. As you can see, Ms. Price and her friend are there waiting for me. This is how I will participate. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.